In this video, I'll show you how to buy a meme coin on MetaMask step by step. First, open your MetaMask wallet and unlock it. At the top, make sure you're on the correct network for that meme coin, like Ethereum or BNB Smart Chain. You also need some native coin on that network, such as ETH or BNB, to pay gas fees. Next, get the meme coin's contract address from a trusted source, like the project's official website or verified social channels. Don't just search the token name inside MetaMask, because many fake tokens use similar names. Now, on the MetaMask home screen, tap or click Swap. Choose the token you want to pay with, then in the To field, paste the contract address of the meme coin. MetaMask will load the token details. Enter how much you want to buy and check the minimum received, price impact, and gas fee. If everything looks good, confirm the swap and wait for the transaction to complete. Your new meme coin balance will then appear in MetaMask. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.